Hi, here we discuss right now about the RHEL Linux server to install configure as a M server. To configure M server, like means if you install any packages, either we can go with this Red Hat Enterprise Linux with the command of RPM. This is a manual installation. If you want to install bulk of the packages with dependencies, it will require the yum server. Right now, if you want going to Git, I'm going to create the and configuring of yum server today. For that, it will require the ISO images. Right now, I'm going to mount as a ISO image. For that, I use the command of -t ISO 9660 is the type of ISO file system type. ISO 9660. Then we need to provide the device name, which is the device /dev/sr0 is the terminal for the cdrom. I am mounting on the /mnt. Now it's showing that my cdrom device is protected, right only mount point for this mount point system, read only. If you want to check it whether this cdrom is mounted or not, with this command of th. T means type, it will show the type of file system. Now I am able to mount the cdrom to my Linux server. Now I have all the packages inside that. I need to create the yum repository file. In the yum repository file, with the we need to use VA is the editing of any file. By default, yum repository in this /etc yum.repos yum.repos, or else let it be check with history command. Previously I deleted whatever I created yum.repos.d. Now I'm going to create it. mkdir. It's not there. Now I'm able to create va/etc yum.repos.d cdrom. Extension must and should be is a .repo file. Then only we can identify the repo file. From that repo file, we'll get the packages from the server. Now, once we open the VA editor, just press on I. If you will go to the insert mode, if you are knowing about the VA editor, please check the VA editor commands. Now, I'm creating the basic parameter inside the repo file. Right now, I'm giving this in the square bracket as 0. Right now, I'm mounting the ISO images. From that, I am able to install all the packages. Now, second parameter is name. Name means which is name. I'm going to give as a name for that RHEL 7 ISO image. From that only, I am able to download the packages. Next, we need to use the most important parameter as a base URL. That base URL, it will show in that from where we are using the file command with the locally where I am mounted in the /mnt. That reason only this is the syntax for the base URL. Now we need to provide gpgcheck equal to 0. This is not important. Then one more also. After that, we need to enable the repository with this enabled parameter, enabled equal to 1. Once you enter this, you have to save this file with this wq. After saving this, we need to check with the command of cat/etc yum.repos.d. With this repo file, we need to cross-verify this file is correctly entered or not. Then we need to use the command of, we need to check whether the repository is available or not with this command of yum.repo list. By this command, then it will show it. Now I am able to get this repository files from this. if you want to use that, okay, yum clean means it will, whatever the cache is from the server, it will clear it. Again, if you want repo list, you have to try it. Then it will show that all the downloading packages from this cd-rom. This is the configuration of yumserver. If you want, we can go and configure the yumservers. If you have any comments, please comment in that. Then we can proceed with doubts. From this yum command, we can do installation. Like if you want to install any packages, like we need to use yum install. Right now, I'm going to use FTP. Use it, it will download the package. Then from the yum only, we can install any number of packages. Similar way, if you want to uninstall the packages, we can use yum remove only. Yum remove FTP, whatever we install packages. If you give that, it will go and delete the package. This is the yum benefits. If you want to go about information also, you have to use yum info FTP command. You will get the package information. This is about the locally how will you configure the yum server. For this, I will tell the 3 points. Like first, we need to mount the cd-rom. Then we need to create the repository file with extension of data repo. After that, we can utilize this whatever the available packages inside the repo file. This is the locally configuration of yum server.